All right, guys and boys, I've had a few people ask me how to work out the area of this composite shape, and I'm just going to walk you through each room now so you can see how it's done. All right, so the kitchen has been done for us because it's got 5 centimetres by 6 centimetres, which has been worked out, which equals 30 centimetres squared, and our answer is being placed over there. So let's have a look at bedroom 1. Now, what we need to do is draw the rest of the room so we can figure it out. So just draw the lines there so we can sort of see the shape. Now we've got a square or a rectangle to figure out the area of. So let's use these centimetre squares to help guide our maths thinking. So let's count. Let's count the top. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 centimetres. Let's count along the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so that is also 5 centimetres. Okay, so we need to do the same thing as we did before. We need to multiply the two of them together. So we've got 5 centimetres times 5 centimetres, which equals 25 centimetres squared. We can write that answer in over here. All right, now we're going to move into bedroom 2, which I'm going to do in red. Same skill as we used before. Just use a ruler if you've got one handy, the rest of the lines of the bedrooms there. Now, I need to find the length and the width. So here's the length and here's the width. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 long, so 7 centimetres. What's our width? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is 4 centimetres. 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. So that's 28 centimetres squared. All right, now that we've worked out our bedrooms and the kitchen, we can move on to the bathroom. Okay, I'm going to change colour there. So once again, just finishing off the room so I can see what shape I have. All right, we've got to figure out the length and the width again. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimetres squared. And the width, 1, 2, 3. 3 centimetres squared. So we now need to do 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12 centimetres squared. So our bathroom is 12 centimetres squared. Okay. Now, we're on to the last room, which is the living room. But I can notice something a bit funny about the living room. It goes thin at the top here and wide at the bottom here. So what we might have to do is split it up into 2 shapes to make it a bit easier for us. So we'll draw a line along here. So now we've got 2 parts which we'll add together after we've figured out the area of both those parts. Okay, so at the top, we could see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 centimetres there. Now the sides are a bit tricky because we don't have them lined up. But what we could do is move to the side over here. And let's have a look. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3. It's also 4 that way. So it's 4 by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So it's 16 centimetres squared. So that's the first half of our living room. Now we need to find out the bottom half. So we can see that we've got the squares down here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimetres. Now we need to do our sides. So we can count them by going along the sides here. We can go 1, 2, 3, keep looking over here, 4, 5, keep looking, 6. So it's 6. So 5 by 6 centimetres. Okay, what's 5 times 6? That equals 30 centimetres squared. Then we need to add 16 as well, which equals 46 centimetres squared. Okay, And then, girls and boys, you'll need to add those all up to find out your area. Now, some people have been asking about the porch too. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to rub out all of this just around the porch so we can show you that there's 2 ways to do this. So, oh dear, I didn't realize I was going to do that. Okay, so I'll choose a different color then. We'll go yellow. So here's our porch. Now, there's 2 ways we could do this. We can use a rule, which is half base times height, which equals a triangle's area. Or we could draw the rest of the shape as a rectangle. So we could finish the shape because this line is going halfway through that shape. So what we can do is figure out the shape of that rectangle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is 4, 8, 12 centimeters squared. And then we need to half it because we only want to know this much. Okay, which equals 6 centimeters squared. If you use this formula, you'll get the same answer. So then you'd need to add this to that answer there, which would equal your total, okay? I'm not going to add that up because then I think I'd be giving the answer away if you're not sure how to do it yet. You have an idea and you can try and figure out, at least by adding